Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a little different because we're not doing any makeup, we're not doing anything about makeup, but it's gonna be all about our skin. So makeup is nice, it's cool, but we also need to take care of our skin because every product that we use is harmful for our skin. And yesterday only I got a suggestion from someone to make a video on skincare using home remedies. So I usually don't do much experiments with my super sensitive skin, but this one is so good that it has never harmed my skin, and I'm very sure that if it hasn't ever harmed my skin, it can never harm your skin also. All we need is multani mitti, or I think it is also called fuller's earth, honey and water. So basically multani mitti helps to remove the dead cells, gives an instant glow, controls oil production, removes blackheads and acne, and is also used for detanning. And honey provides hydration to the skin, gives a natural glow, fights acne, reduces wrinkles, removes any blemishes or any scars, and gives a brighter skin complexion. Basically I'm mixing multani mitti and honey so that I can get the benefits of both, but the main reason is that my skin is very dry, so if I apply only multani mitti, my skin will get more dry. I'm adding honey so that my skin doesn't get dry at all. But if you don't have skin type like me, then you can go with only multani mitti or add very little honey. So I'm gonna take a bowl and literally add like half a spoon multani mitti and then add honey to it. But I will add honey more than the multani mitti because dry skin problems. I hate honey's smell. And finally I will put literally half a glass of water. Okay, not even half, like 1/4. Now we'll mix it till it becomes sort of a paste. I'm gonna apply this on my nose area, a little towards my cheeks, between the eyebrows, and a little bit towards the forehead and my chin, because this is where I have lots of blackheads. Rest of my face doesn't really need this. Let's do this. So this will take quite some time to dry because we've added lots of honey and water. Till then you can watch TV, clean the floor where you dropped all your mess, or just sit back and have an ice cream. It's been like 15 minutes and I think it is dry because I can feel the tightness on my face. I've taken a cloth and soaked it in cold water. Let's remove it. Okay, now we are done, and I can see that not all obviously, but most of my blackheads have been removed and my skin is not at all dry. So yes, this is a very nice method, very safe. You can definitely try it at home without being scared or anything. And guys, that will be all for today's video. I really hope this video helped you, and please like this video because this is a different one, and if you want me to do some more skincare routines using home remedies, then do let me know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.